And it's actually based on technology that's used outside the solar system. But that technology is probably used by most of us, and you don't even realize what it can do. But first, I need some ice, which is going to come soon, and I need a volunteer with a hot hand, a warm hand. Now come on, have you got warm hands? Who's got warm hands? Here's the ice, thank you very much. So now I want you to gather round, because I've actually attached a meter, which I hope doesn't come off. I just soldiered it on. We can always solder it back on. And I want you to watch this meter, just so it's no trick at all. And as you can see, it's an ammeter, a good old analog, no digital. And stop it. And it's not moved yet, but it's going to go across, hopefully, as far as we can. So in here is a little cup, plastic cup. These things I just used to put it in. And the bit of magic is underneath. So I need someone with. Have you got a hot hand? Who's got a hot hand? Come on, who's got a hot hand? Who's got the ice? Who's got the ice?
Ice is there.
Right. Who wants to put the ice in? Do you want to put the ice in? Yeah. Come on. Who's got hot hands? Have you got hot hands? You want to come on. It's not dangerous. There's only 2 people killed with this in the last year. No, it's all right. It's nothing dangerous. I promise you. Right. No one's going to get hurt. Right, except me. If the leads come off, I'll be upset. Right, so come on, no, right. Just put this on the palm of your hand. Set the bottom there, right, that's it. It's not going to hurt you. There's nothing dangerous. Now, can you see this meter? Now, can we have the ice, please? Yes. Here we go, just pop it in there. Right, can you see the meter?
Yeah.
What's happening? You're generating electricity. You are you're an ice battery. How the hell does that work? Right, one meter. Right? It's no trick. Take the ice out, and you'll probably see it go down again. If I take it off the hand, it will slowly go down again. Right? So, how does it work? The heat from your hand is one value, and the ice is much colder. And this generates electricity from the difference between one surface, which is cold, and the other surface which is hot. And it's based on a scientific principle used outside the solar system. It's called a peltier element. And why is it used outside the solar system? And what used it? Anyone got any ideas? Anyone got any ideas? Still working? Yeah, there we go. Ice, temperature here, much warmer. So, when NASA sent the Explorer series outside the solar system into deep space, they had to generate electricity for a long time. In fact, over 40 years, it's still working. And what did they use for the electricity? Solar panels? No. Oh, what do you use? So they used heat and cold. Where did they get the cold from? Any idea? How cold is it? Really cold, it's absolute zero, right? So if you're 1 degree and it's minus a lot, then no problem, you'll generate electricity. And that's what they do. So they dropped a little bit of a radioactive material in the satellite, out it goes, and that's been generating electricity. Even though it decays, it's still warm enough to generate electricity, and that's how they power the Explorer series that went outside the solar system. Now the interesting thing, this peltier element in here is normally used in an electric cool box, where you plug it into your car and you get cold. And basically, if you put 12 volts in, it gets cold on one side, your fridge, and the other side, well, that's the other side. But if you reverse that and you put cold and heat on this, you actually get some electricity coming out, and that's what's happening here. So the nice thing is, if you've got a summer house or anything with 2 temperatures, works at night, you don't need wind, you don't need sunshine, you can actually generate electricity and probably charge a mobile phone or whatever, or have LED lighting. And if you've got a supercapacitor, you could charge it up. So there you go. That's proven tech, how to make a nice battery. Peltier element. Okay. Woo-hoo! Someone said it was cool. It wasn't me, but anyway. No. I said, of course it is. It's got ice in it. But you can have a look, and you can see I've just taped the thing. I just glued it on. It's actually a peltier element. There are 2 wires coming out. You can buy these quite easily on eBay, whatever.
I won a coffee mug that has a peltier element in it, and this peltier element it takes the heat from the coffee, and then it uses it for Bluetooth and for making like this for a small screen. That you could download more photos to this.
I mean, if you had more of these in a summer house, you could probably charge a battery enough for your lights and a radio maybe in your phone.